So after send SMS command, let us type here receive SMS. Okay, so I'm going to say here receive, click on this receive SMS. Now here in place of internet I am going to write read SMS. Okay, as for our command, we can say read my last SMS, like that of command we are going to write here read SMS. So now what we are going to do is we are also going to provide some read external permissions. First of all, we have given write external permission, and now we are going to give read external permissions. So for that, copy this whole thing. So we are copying this whole thing and pasting it again. Now here in place of access state, now type here, what we are going to type here is read external storage. Then we are going to give command as record audio for our mic so that it can record audio, process it. Now we are going to write here write calendar, and there are some more basic permissions. I know this is not a very interesting part, but it is a very important one though. This will allow us to have many, it will help us in many commands. So first of all, type here read contacts. After that, after read contacts, just remove this previous one and type here access Wi-Fi state. Now I am going to simply write here, remove this previous one and type here write. Okay, click on this write settings. Okay, it is showing some error. So okay, so here what am I going to write here is I'm going to write here tools. Okay, inside tools I am going to write here ignore, which is equals to we are going to ignore that it is a protected permission. Okay, protected permissions. Okay, so now it is fine. And last thing is we are going to read our phone as well. So we are going to provide some permission like read phone state. Sorry, read phone state. Okay, and also okay, I guess that's it for all the permissions. Now as you have seen in our demo video that we are also having some uh, packages opening, sorry, some app opening like WhatsApp, Facebook and YouTube, Gmail and Google, or we can say Google Chrome, which is an Android device browser for Google. So that permissions need some special queries. Okay, so this is a very important part. So let me just type here important part of our code in Android manifest file. Okay, this is a very important part, do it very correctly. So I have commented it out. So this is a very important part of code. This part of code will allow us to open and access other applications. Okay, so I have some name of the applications that I want to import. So for that Google has given us some packages. Okay, so through these packages we can actually allow our application to access other applications and open them through this. So okay, just let me correct the spelling of access. So now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to type here queries. So type here queries. So inside this query I am going to write here intent, and inside intent I'm going to first of all write, so for recognition of audio what we need is recognition service. So remember like this, that for recognition audio we need recognition service. So type here recognition. Please type spellings very correctly and everything should be perfect, or your app will give you errors which will take days and days to solve. So don't mess it up. Though I did spelling mistake in recognition. So type yes, RECOGNITION. Okay, recog. Sorry, I forgot G. So my English is bad, I know. So please don't repeat the mistakes. Don't. The package names are very important. You can't mess it up or your whole app will crash. Okay. So recognition service. This is the intent to recognize our text, our audio to text. Now type here packages. Okay. Now inside package type here Android name, and inside this first of all I am going to write here com dot. So this package is for Google. Okay, to open Google. Okay, this code that I'm typing will be given to you while code as well. So even if you get stuck any more time, you can refer to this. Though it is my very good advice that you should copy all the packages from this code as well, because if you mess something up you won't be able to figure it out, because a spelling mistake of a and I can cause many errors. Okay, so type it here com.google.android.google quick search box. Okay, that is Google quick search box. So this is my package. Okay, now I am going to type another package, and this package is very important. It is to open WhatsApp. Though we all are using WhatsApp very much in this COVID-19 outbreak, so it is important that our app has to open WhatsApp. Okay, so type here com dot simply WhatsApp. Okay, just type here WhatsApp. Ignore the spelling mistake that is coming with a green line. We will pull through it. Now after this we are going to write here we are going to write a package for Gmail. So this is to open Gmail. I am writing this very nicely so that you will avoid mistakes. Okay, if you are a beginner, debugging can be hard for you, so it would be better for all of you to make it correct at first time. So for Gmail type here com dot google dot android dot gm, that is Gmail. After this I am doing it for YouTube. So I'm going to type here open YouTube. After that go to next line and type here package android name com dot google dot android dot youtube. Okay, so this is our YouTube package. Now we have to type here Facebook package, which everyone uses nowadays, which is also very common app. So it is essential to have its functionality in our application. Now we are going to type here com dot google dot, sorry, we are not using Google, we are using Facebook. So type here Facebook dot katana, Katana. Okay, so after that, now we are going to open a package of maps. So to open Google Maps, we are going to use this. So just type here package, Android name, that is com dot google dot apps. Okay, sorry, Android dot apps dot, what we need is maps. Close the brackets. Now we need to open Chrome. So to open Google Chrome, we are going to type here package, Android name, that is com dot android. Okay, so wait a second, close this, sorry, type here com dot android. Okay, so let me correct my spelling. Okay, I think I have written Android spelling wrong, so type here okay, android dot chrome. Okay, just ignore this green lines. So now let's move to our application, and here what we have already given a theme, Google Assistant. Now what we are going to do is we are going to create some extra activity. Okay, for now let us just inside application, let us type here activity, and I'm give the activity name as com dot threat of dev dot edo emodo dot cropper dot crop image activity. Okay, this activity will be automatically included when we include our dependency of this activity for this activity in our build gradle. But till now we are going to pass some things here. So for now I have to pass a theme. We are writing here the error will be resolved by itself. So type here @style, then type theme dot material, click on this daylight. It's better to type material components dot daylight, sorry, day night dot dark action bar. So this is some particular, inside the styles we have some particular themes. Okay, now we have to also include some of our activities here. So after, so this Android activity which have intent, filter and action and launcher means as this activity will launch first when we open the application. And here what we have to do is we have to type here activity, and activity name is going to be dot assistant dot explore activity. After this type here activity again, and now this activity name is dot functions dot Google Lens activity. Okay, similarly copy this theme and paste this inside our inside our Google Lens activity. Okay, the Google Lens activity and this crop image activity will have same theme, so copy this theme and paste inside our Google Lens activity. And similarly we have a assistant activity as well, so type here activity, just type here dot assistant dot assistant activity. You will be more clear about the purpose of this activities in upcoming videos. So for now I guess we are done with our Android but manifest file, but there's one thing left. Inside the Android node, type Android node and replace here, and just correct one more thing as well. Inside the resource folder, inside, so I guess we are done. So here's the tool nodes replace, just one thing, inside the resource folder, inside values, inside the themes. Okay, click on this themes.night and themes.xml. Here change all the color that are present. Here are the different theme colors, though I don't want them, I am just going to change them to white. Okay, so change every color that appear here to white. Similarly goes to theme night, change every color to white. Here in the color as well. Okay, here we have defined some color here, but we have done with our themes that we have changed all the themes into white color. Okay, this is something that you have to do. Okay, inside the themes folder, go to themes.xml and change color, primary color, variant, everything to white. So this was our Android manifest folder. In the next we are going to create we are going to actually change some things in our build.gradle, both Google Assistant and app. So for now this is the only thing that we are going to do. Thank you guys, see you in the next session.